with the panel system, you want to, we have clips. Depending on the size of the panel, we have a 4 mil panel or a 3 mil panel. The 4 mil, we have a 4 mil clip, which is this tan color, and then we have a 3 mil clip, which is a green color, and there's no hole in the middle, so make sure you get the right clip for the right panel. And the way we install this is we basically put the fat side towards the panel, and that basically supports the panel when we're engaging the top caps and when everything is done. I like a little trick. What I do is I kind of go in with one corner first. You try and do it flat on, it's going to be a little challenging. And then these clips we want to do every 16 inches. I'm just kind of roughly guessing here. It's not a crucial thing, but we definitely don't want too much space between each clip. I also always make sure that I'm not pinching these right in the corner. I stay back from the corners of the panels. That's just important in case, again, you have an area of a substrate issue where you have a bow or something coming out. It kind of gives a little forgiveness in those corners.